Hello everyone, I am Alok Singh, Class 10, overall school topper, rank 1 ICSE from East West Model School and has secured an aggregate of 98.8% in ICSE Class 10. I would take the opportunity to thank AK School Awards for providing me with a platform to share my success story with every one of you. The secret to my success lies in the sincerity, dedication and hard work that I put in throughout the year. I followed a routine schedule that helped me to cover all the topics pretty well. I would also like to thank my principal, my vice principal, subject teachers and all other teaching and non-teaching staff in school for helping me in improving my academics and motivating me throughout the journey. I would also like to thank my parents for mentally supporting me throughout my journey and for providing me with the basic daily needs. Through the hard work put in by myself and through the efforts put in by my teachers and my parents, I was able to realize my dream of scoring good marks in ICSE Class 10. Thank you.
Hi, I Omkar Prasad Singh, father of Alok Singh, Class 10, East West Model School, Bardhaman. He succeeded 98.8% marks in ICSE board exam and become overall topper in the school. I would like to thank AKS Educational Award for honoring him. I would like to thank principal sir, teachers and all non-teaching staff whose proper guidance and advice motivate him to go ahead. Before he succeed, his level and his thinking. He studied several hours regularly. Being parents, it is our duty to provide everything. His mother take care properly and advice, and her guardians is helpful for him. Thanks.
Hello everyone. I am Shrestha Mukherjee, a student of East West Model School, Talit Burdwan. I completed my ICSE boards and secured 98.4% marks and stood second in my school. I believe in higher learning than in higher education. Clearing concepts are far better than just learning things by heart. This is the only reason behind my success. I would like to thank our respected principal sir and all the teachers of my school who provided help whenever I faced any doubts in any subject. And I would also like to thank my parents who were always by my side and were there to assist me in my studies and played a major role in my success. I would have been nothing without them. Thank you so much everyone.
Hello everyone, I am Sanchita Datta Mukherjee, mother of Shrestha Mukherjee, a student of East West Model School, Talit Bardhaman, who secured 98.4% marks in ICSE and second position in her school. The thing which I like the most about the East West Model School is that it focuses on overall personality development rather than focusing only on studies. Besides being taught discipline, the students are also given necessary freedom required specially for the children of this age group. This only helped her in achieving success in the first board examination in her life. I would like to thank Principal Sir and all the teachers of East West Model School for their constant support, love and care. Thank you again for guiding my daughter towards success.
Hi, I'm Imonisha of Class 10 overall school topper from East West Model School. I secured 4th position in my school by getting 97.6% in ICSE examinations 2020. I would like to thank AKS Education Awards for National School Toppers Award for giving me an opportunity to share my success story with all of you. I would like to tell you that my success is a result of hard work and hobbies. I used to work very hard, but I always let my hobbies move side by side along with me. Whenever I used to feel very tired from studying, I used to indulge in dancing, singing, painting, or even hanging out with my friends and having fun. My hobbies used to rejuvenate me. I would like to thank my mom and dad for showering me with lots and lots of love and care. They were the ones who guided me all the time. I would also like to thank my school and my teachers from both academic and co-curricular platforms and my friends for helping me achieve this sweet success.
Hello, I am Shashwati Roy, mother of Imon Isha of Class 10 of East West Model School. She got 97.6% in ICSE examination 2020 and it won her fourth position in her school. I would like to thank AKS Education Awards for National School Toppers Award for giving me an opportunity to speak something about her success. I thankfully remember the day when I decided to quit my job in order to guide her properly in her life's journey. My decision seems to have borne fruit. I must acknowledge the teachers of East West Model School, without whose support it was impossible for Imon to reach her goal.
Hello everyone, I am Rajeshwari Mondal of class 10 from East West Model School. I have secured 97.4% in the class 10 ICSE boards exam and I have ranked 5th in my school. I would like to thank the AKS Educational Awards for honoring me and giving me this opportunity to share my success story with everyone. As we all know, hard work is the key to success. I have just worked hard through a planned schedule to achieve my goal. And I would like to give the credit of my success to my parents, my teachers, and also to my school, because without their constant help and guidance, I would not have been able to achieve my dreams. Thank you.
I am Shobon Kumar Mondal, father of Rajeshwari Mondal of East West Model School. She was 5th topper of ICSE board exam. I thanks to all teachers, staff and principal for their help and guidance to score well. As a father, I always have motivated and to inspire her to achieve her dream. I also thanks to AKS Educational Award for their virtual award ceremony. Thanks.
Hello, this is Antara Ghosh from East West Model School, Bardhaman. I have passed my class 10 ICSE board examination with an aggregate of 97%. I have secured 6th position in my school. I would like to thank AKS Education Awards for honoring my success. Well, there is no shortcut to success. I had put in my best efforts in learning all the subjects very well, backed up by my perseverance and determination. I had worked on improving the subjects where I used to lack and practiced a lot throughout the year. Now, I want to thank Almighty for His blessings. I will be forever indebted to my school, our principal sir and teachers for building the student I am today. Lastly, my parents and my elder sister who have been my biggest support system. I owe a lot to them for my achievement. Thank you.
Hello, I am Alok Kumar Ghosh, father of Antara Ghosh, who secured 97% of marks in ICSE exam from East West Model School, Bardhaman, and occupied 6th position in the school. I would like to thank AKS Education Awards for honoring and awarding along with encouraging the school students. I wish to share my opinion of diligent self-study and studying many reference books to make clear concepts, which should be the prime concern of any student to get success in the long run. I appreciate the mentorship of the faculties of East West Model School under the able supervision of the Honorable Principal Sir. Thank you.